Hello and welcome back to another edition of Tech Tuesday. Last week we were talking about Canva and this really cool AI concept called Magic Design, where you can actually type in a couple of words and automatically have a template created for you that you could just edit and kind of tailor to your needs. Today we're going to talk about another AI feature that Canva has, which is called Magic Edit. This is where you can take photos that you found and edit them, maybe punching up a bit of the picture, highlighting different aspects of the picture, or as we're going to see, right, taking a chart that shows the hierarchy of medieval feudalism, kings, nobles, vassals, and peasants, and changing some of the colors, and even adding some symbolism in order to help students understand the concepts. I found this chart right here, this pyramid chart that shows how the feudal system works, how each group is sort of kicking up to the group above it, and so on and so on. But I want to add a little bit more color and a little bit more to this chart so that students are able to understand it a little bit more, instead of just having all of these colors be the same. But what I can actually do is use something called Magic Edit. So I go up to Edit right here as I click on the picture. That's in this top left corner over here. I click on Edit, and this will bring up a couple of different options. I'm going to go ahead and use my brush to actually select an area right here. I'm going to select the bottom area, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the edit that I want to make. I want to make this into a more earthy tone. We're talking about the peasants who are working the land, so I'm going to say change this into an earthy tone. I'll click Generate. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, probably takes about a minute or so. And then it gives me a couple of options that I might be able to use. And so I'm going to go ahead and stick with that option at the very bottom right here. And then I'll click Done. Let's say that I want to take a look at the top edit right here, or the top part where it says King. I'm going to go ahead, do the same, paint that. I'm going to say go ahead and put a crown on here, symbolic of the king. I'll click Generate. Again, takes a little bit of time. And after I do this, it'll present me with a few options. It automatically puts that king at the top, which works pretty well, but I want to go ahead and just use this crown over here. And that helps me to kind of symbolize that concept of the king. Thank you for watching this edition of Tech Tuesday. If you have any questions on Canva's Magic Edit or Magic Design, or anything else that you'd like me to cover, let me know.